Welcome to the Windows Guide. If Wi-Fi is not working on your HP computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. The first solution is to run a few commands using command prompt. Search for command prompt using the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. We have a list of commands in the description section of the video. Simply copy these commands and paste them to the elevated command prompt window. Hit Enter to execute the commands. Wait till all the commands have been executed. Reboot your system. The second solution is to use a fixed DNS. Search for network connections in the Windows search bar. Click on the option which appears in the search results to open the Network Connections window. Right-click on Wi-Fi and select Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 to open its properties. Check the box and use the following DNS server addresses. The primary address will be 8.8.8.8. The secondary DNS address will be 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the settings. The third and last solution is to reset the network. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Network and Internet tab on the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Now, scroll down and click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Click on Yes. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know in the comments section. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.